So guys and girls, 1971 Chevy C10 long bed with a 350. You're not gonna believe it. The guy's had it since new. It's got 964,000 miles. He's got a mile booklet that he keeps because it rolls over every 100,000. And he's been maintaining it ever since. And you guys can tell from the work in it that this truck is fabulous. Amazing. What's another word for it?
Pristine.
Pristine condition. So here's the motor right there, 350. It's got manifolds. Then 2-inch pipe that he put on himself, a kit, all the way back on each side. True dual. Then he put the glass packs, cherry bombs right there and right there. And then what we did is ran the tailpipes for him. We custom bent them for him, 2-inch tailpipes into 3-inch rolled tips, pencil tips. Right there and right there. There's the 3-inch rolled tips. Came out really beautiful, really nice. Right there. Let you guys see it from the back, out the sides. There it is. Truck has been redone. Beautiful truck. Every nut, bolt, and everything has been redone on it. There it is. True dual all the way back. With cherry bombs. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Really nice. Sound decibels again. About 98. Go ahead. As you guys can see, it's a really beautiful truck. For that kind of mileage, it's crazy, man. He's restoring it little by little. There's the owner. There's this side. Again. All right, guys, we'll let you see him drive off. And it's my favorite color, blue, blue, blue. Chevy C10. Got a 3-speed on the column too.